Hi! Okay. So, this weekend, we did a thing. Where did that thing just walked that way? We got a puppy. And she's this big. She's so little. Look, in comparison, oh, she wiggles. Cell phone? May. Lights, camera, action.
You call it.
May. May.
Making my way downtown, walking fast, faces pass and I'm homebound.
Oh my god, all the blood. All the blood in my body. It's in my head. Because I wasn't vlogging.
You were talking about something. I walked out of your room and you were taking a video of yourself talking to the computer about something. I just forgot about what.
No.
Oh, fuck. My mom likes to put bows in her hair.
She growls at her.
Oh. 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 Gesundheit. Did she sneeze or was that a cough? What? I see my dream. I see my everyday. I see my dream.
It's hard to stay humble when I do the breaststroke through an underground tunnel and come up on the other side in a jacootie, being greeted by two naked models with suds on their booties, and I'm like, yes.
Is she chilling or getting out? Whatevs.
Oh, baby, when you talk like that.
I'm waiting for her to do it because it'd be so cool if I called her and she's just like, boop! Except she's like coming out.
So my boobs have lowered. As you can tell. My baby, she's probably choking. She's not choking, dude. She's chilling. Giving birth.
Just kidding, guys. Here's what they do. If you want to get a puppy, just know this. They're gonna play and bite. They smell weird. They poop and pee. They eat, and that's it. That's it. That's all puppies do.
They're cute to look at.
They're fun to look at, and ours jingles. She's got a little bell. It's like she jingle, hop, 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 whatever.
Company on a walk.
That's about it. But smell weird. Poop, play, sleep, eat.